everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this fresh face. I do a tutorial on my full face. This is my traveling and airport makeup look. My last full face of traveling and airport makeup tutorial got so many views. It's my most viewed video on my channel. It's almost 1,500 views, which is like insane. But I just thought I would kind of recreate it because that one is 2 years old or 3? 2 or 3 years old, and I would do things a lot differently now. So I just thought I'd recreate this look, and I really hope you like it. And yeah, let's just jump right in. So when I travel, my skin gets hella dry. Like, my skin is already mostly dry. I'm just gonna take the MAC Charged Water Face and Body Lotion. I'm just making sure that my skin is gonna be super hydrated. And then I'm gonna take my Fast Response Eye Cream from MAC as well. I mean, obviously put that around my eyes. Deep puffs and smooths. For my skin, I'm gonna go in with the BB cream, and I'm doing that just because the BB cream is really, really light. It's really, really moisturizing. This color is way too dark for me, but when we blend it out, it'll be fine. I just used the Prep and Prime BB Beauty Balm from MAC in the shade Medium. And then for under my eyes, I do like somewhat of a fuller coverage because I just have like insanely dark circles under my eyes. So I want a really, really full coverage. So I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and my Colourpop concealer and mix them both, put them both under my eyes. This one is way too light and this one is way too dark, so that's why I'm mixing them. And then I'm going to take my Royal & Langnickel Precision Angled Brush. And then I'm just going to take my Laura Mercier loose setting powder and just set where I put the concealer. Sorry if the lighting keeps changing. And then I'm just going to do my normal kind of bronzing slash contouring with my NYX contour palette. So I'm just gonna leave a card, I think it's here, in this like upper little corner of how I do my brows, because it just takes too long to include in this video. But yeah, check out the card and I'll be right back. Alright, so those are the brows done. Oh, and I didn't tell you, but I did use the powder technique in my brows today. I don't know where to sit because like there's a huge glare there. I'm also going to put on some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put on my mascara and my brows are done, and I actually also put my Colourpop gel cream liner in Honey Dude in my waterline. And now I'm just going to go in with some highlighter. I'm just going to use a cream, and this is actually Flexitarian in the Super Shock Cheek. Woo! Just applying that on my cheekbones and bringing it in a C shape around the brow. And for blush, I'm also going to stick with the cream theme, and I'm just going to take this So Susan, it's like a lip and cheek mini palette thing. And because each little quadrant is too small to like specifically get one color, I'm just gonna dip my brush in all of them. On my lips, I'm not really gonna wear anything. I'm just gonna actually use my Laneige lip sleeping mask. I usually just kind of use this as a lip balm. It's so hydrating, and it kind of gives the appearance of a lip gloss. And then last but certainly not least, I'm going to spray my face with some Fix Plus to keep my skin hydrated, but also help all the makeup sink in and blend in. And Right, I had to completely change the angle because the lighting was like driving me up the wall. But this is the finished look. Nice fresh face. This is minimal makeup for me. I know that it's a lot for some people, and I probably normally wouldn't wear any makeup when I actually travel, like to the airport and on the airplane and stuff. However, this time I travel, I will be wearing makeup just because I'm arriving at like 8 a.m. in the morning, and then I have a full day of seeing my family and stuff, so I do have to look presentable. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and follow my Instagram, SAMIAMBEAUTYX, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh my god, this lighting.
So again, I'm just